Dancin on My Heartbeat. It's choreographed by Gregory, Danvoie, and Guillaume Richard. It is a 32 count, 4-wall improver level line dance with a restart on wall 4 after 16 counts and a tag on the end of wall 9. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restart and the tag, and then we're going to go around and dance 10 walls of the dance so that you know how it all flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Dancin on My Heartbeat. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to shuffle to the right. We're going to step our right foot, side, left together, right side. We're now going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder as we shuffle to the left, stepping our left foot to the left side, right foot together, left foot to the side. You're now at 9 o'clock. We're going to do a kickball cross, kicking our right foot low and forward. Quickly step your right next to your left and cross your left over your right. We're now going to weave to the right, quickly stepping our right foot to the side and cross your left behind your right. Quickly step your right foot to the side and cross your left over your right. Let's try it with some counts. Shuffling to the right. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 2, we're going to rock our right foot to the right side and recover onto your left. We're now going to do a right sailor step, crossing our right behind our left. Step our left foot out to the side, step your right foot out to the side. We're now going to do a quarter sailor step over our left shoulder. You're going to make a quarter turn, stepping back with your left foot. Step your right foot out to the side and step your left foot out to the side, slightly angling your hips to the left. You're now facing 6 o'clock. We're now going to do a half crossing shuffle. So we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping forward with our right foot to face 3 o'clock, and you're going to cross your left over your right. You're now going to make another quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot and cross your left over your right. You'll be at 12 o'clock. Let's try that with some counts. Left is crossed over right. We're facing 9 o'clock. You're going to rock and sailor. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Section 3, we're going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to tap your left toe behind your right and then step back with your left foot. We're now going to do a right coaster step, stepping our right foot back, left together, right forward. We're now going to repeat that with the left. So we're going to step our left foot forward, tap your right toe behind your left, and then step back with your right. We're now going to do a left coaster step, stepping your left foot back, right together, left forward. Let's try it with some counts. Our left would be crossed over our right. You're facing 12 o'clock. You're doing your step, touch, back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover onto your left, and we're going to do a half shuffle over our right shoulder. You're going to make a quarter turn, stepping your right foot to the right side. Step your left foot next to your right, make a quarter turn, stepping forward with your right. You're now at 6 o'clock. We're going to do a mambo quarter turn. So we're going to make that quarter turn over our right shoulder as we rock our left foot out to the side, recover onto our right, and then cross your left over your right. We're now going to do a heeled V step. So we're going to take our right heel. We're going to go forward onto our right heel, taking weight. Take your left heel, place it out into the left diagonal. And then we're going to step back with our right and then together with our left. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. We're rock half shuffling. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time with steps, one time with counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're shuffling to the right. It's side shuffle, quarter, side shuffle, kick, ball, cross, weave, side behind, side, cross, side, or rock. Recover, sailor, step, quarter, sailor, step. Now we're doing quarter, cross, step, tap, back, coaster, step, tap, back, coaster, step. Rock, recover, half shuffle, quarter turning, mambo with a cross, heeled V step, out, out, in. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're shuffling to the right. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And that's the whole dance. So now let's talk about the restart. Our dance travels counterclockwise, so wall 4 is our 3 o'clock facing wall. We're going to dance 16 counts, which is going to bring us back to this wall. So when you restart, the 3 o'clock wall will become wall 5. So we'll end up doing it to that wall twice in a row. So our weight would be on our left foot. We're going to dance the first 16 counts, which starts with your shuffle to the right. We're shuffling right together, right quarter shuffle. Kick, ball, cross, weave, side behind, side, cross, side, rock. Recover, sailor, step, quarter, sailor, step. Now we're doing our half crossing shuffle. Quarter, cross, quarter, cross. Right here, we're back at 3 o'clock, and we're going to restart the dance all over again by doing our shuffle to the right. That will become wall 5. You'll then dance another whole rotation of the dance. When we come back to this wall, because this is 5, you'll then dance wall 6, 7, 8, and then our 3 o'clock wall will become wall 9. You're going to dance the full 32 counts of the dance and end facing the front wall. That is when you will add on this 4 count tag. All we're going to do is a regular V step. So when you finish that full 32 counts, you'll end it facing 12 o'clock, and you're going to go out with the right, out with the left, in with the right, in with the left, taking weight onto that left foot, and then you'll start the dance all over again and dance all the way through. So now, when you do those half crossing shuffle, to keep place of where you return to when you're doing it, you're always going to come back to whatever wall you had started that rotation on. So if we're facing 12 o'clock to start that wall, that half crossing shuffle will bring you back there. Same thing with all the other walls. So now we're going to go around. We're going to do 10 walls of the dance. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. We're going to dance through the restart and the tag and do the one that follows it, just so you can practice all the transitions. Weight's going to start on your left foot. We're starting with our shuffle to the right. It's shuffle right. Quarter side shuffle, kick, ball, cross. And your weave, side behind, side, cross, or rock. Recover, sailor, step, quarter, sailor, step, half, crossing shuffle. Step, tap, back, coaster, step, tap, back, coaster, step, rock, recover, half shuffle, quarter mambo, cross heel V step, out, in, shuffle, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, shuffle right, quarter side shuffle, kick, ball, cross, weave, side behind, side, cross, or rock, recover, sailor, step, quarter, sailor, step, half, crossing shuffle, step, tap, back, coaster, step, tap, back, coaster, step, rock, recover, half shuffle, quarter, mambo, cross, heel, back, 16 counts, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, restart shuffle, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, shuffle right, quarter side shuffle, kick, ball, cross, and your weave, side behind, side, cross, rock, recover, sailor, quarter, sailor, step, half, crossing shuffle, step, tap, back, coaster, step, tap, back, coaster, step, rock, recover, half shuffle, quarter, mambo, cross, heel, back, shuffle, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, shuffle right, quarter shuffle, kick, ball, cross, and your weave, side behind, side, cross, side, rock, recover, sailor, step, quarter, sailor, step, half, crossing shuffle, step, tap, back, coaster step, step, tap back, coaster step, rock, recover, half shuffle, quarter mambo, cross, heel, heel, back, back. We're going to dance a full 32 counts and then add on our tag. Shuffle 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. V step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start over. Shuffle right. Quarter shuffle. Kick, ball, cross, weave. Side rock, recover, sailor. Quarter sailor, step, half, crossing shuffle. Step, tap, back, coaster, step, step, tap, back, coaster, step, rock, recover, half shuffle, quarter mambo, cross, heel, heel, back, back. And there's the whole dance. So I hope this helps you learn dancing on my heartbeat. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.